everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Because Simi, and in case you are seeing my videos for the first time, then don't forget to subscribe. It will make me happy.
Done.
So today I'm going to tell you about the top 5 toners available in India. Along with that, let me tell you what a toner actually does. It actually tones down the pH level of the skin which is disturbed after washing, and also help in the product absorption. So whatever you apply after the toner, products will absorb in a better way. So without any delay, let's get started. And the first one is by a brand Indulge. Now this is a home run brand which is very famous for its oils. So their mist has witch hazel, which is a very nice toner, and you can get it on Nykaa. Very good for sensitive skin and also budget friendly. It is available on Nykaa as well as on Instagram. So if you want something budget friendly, this is a nice choice. Now the second one is by the brand Kama, the rose water mist. If you don't want to really go and spend on a brand like that, you can also get a normal rose water, put it in a mist bottle and use it as a toner. Now Kama's rose water is very pure and very nice, so you can use it as your mist for sensitive skin people, for oily skin people. This is a very nice product. Now the third toner is by the brand The Face Shop. It has got an amazing toner for dry skin. It is the hydrating range toner which comes in a white bottle. So if you are sensitive as well as dry skin and dull skin, then go for this toner. I have the usual volcanic lava toner and I don't really like it because it has denatured alcohol in it. So try to avoid this and go by the white one. Now the fourth one is by the brand Forest Essentials. Their face mist, they come in different variants, are so good. They will tone down your skin, and another plus point is because the ingredients are so nice, they will give you additional benefits as well. I know this is a little bit on a pricier side, but worth each and every penny. Coming to the last toner of the range and also the most expensive one, and also my favorite one, this is by the brand Levine. This is the thermal spring water. I know this is a thermal spring water, but as a toner it works so amazingly for sensitive skin people. It will reduce your sensitivity, it won't make your skin oily, won't make your skin dry, give a beautiful glow. I love this so much that I always keep one as backup. I use this on top of my makeup after washing my face whenever I feel it's dehydrated. This is a very nice choice, like if you want to splurge on the money and get this one, Levine thermal spring water. So this was recommendation of my top 5 toners. I hope this was very helpful for you. If yes, then please subscribe to my channel and also hit that like button below. And in case you have any sort of queries or any questions regarding a particular toner or brand, then leave it down in the comment section below. I'll help you guys. I'll see you all in my another video. Bye bye, take care.